Hi civil engineers, this is Aruna from CMTI. CMTI and IDMTI is wishing you a wonderful and prosperous new era ahead. In 2022, more than 400 plus civil engineers have been placed through CMTI. Do watch the feedback videos in our CMTI YouTube channel. So this year we have many openings for our engineering. Do complete the training at CMTI and IDMTI and get the placements ready. So today we are offering the New Year coupon code CMTI. Best discount is available for building engineering, site engineering and Primavera training. So if you are looking for office based job, then get ready and get the professional training from the experts. Result matters, quality of a trainer matters, moreover industry connect and the placement support matters for the young engineers. So CMT and IDMTI is a number one placement related short courses with affordable prices. For more details and for more discount, do WhatsApp the number given below 8844222480 and follow our social media accounts Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp group. Thank you.